Hello, this is Walt Dobrowski from the Star Training Group. Today is day 30 and we are going to be talking about customer resistance statements. The hardest job of a salesperson is to overcome customer resistance statements. Most people shy away from customer resistance statements because of fear. That's why training is so important in today's market. Training builds confidence and increases knowledge, and knowledge is power. The most effective way to overcome customer resistance statements is to use the simple agree, align, benefits, and then continue method. We've seen this before in our workbooks. This is the perfect way to bypass customer resistance statements. A well-trained salesperson uses this new technology to overcome the customer's fears about purchasing a vehicle. This in turn leads into a write-up, which in turn leads into a sale. You will get most impact on what you say if your customer gets you by saying something like, "You're just like me." You can mirror your customer by recognizing if your customer is a task, an analyst, social, or kind. For example, let's say that your customer is a task. You may want to start out by saying, "I respect what you're saying." If your customer is an analyst, you might want to say, "You're probably right." If your customer is a social person, they might like to hear things like, "I understand." And if they're kind, they love to hear things like, "I appreciate how you're feeling." Once your customer gets you by mirroring them, you'll want to say something like, "Having said that, let's go over some features you liked about our vehicle." This is also a good time to start using tie-down statements. Statements that end with wouldn't it, couldn't it, shouldn't it, won't it, don't it, etc. You did say that this is the lowest mileage vehicle you've seen so far, am I right? This is the only vehicle that has the navigation system in it, is that correct? Once you think you have used enough of these statements, you'll want to continue by asking your customer a question that doesn't pertain to the vehicle, such as, "Have you heard about our award-winning service department?" Move away from the vehicle and start walking towards your service department. Well, I hope this helped you today. Make sure to practice this in your pre-shift meeting. This is Walt Dobrowski. Now take on the day.